Rachel here and welcome back to my channel. So it's a new month, it's Vlogmas full month. Yeah, so it's the last month of the year and it is December. So for those who are new to the channel, welcome. Karibu sana. Yeah, feel at home. It's been a minute, yeah. So today we'll be talking about castor oil, and I've been doing some research on its benefits and I want to try out something with it because like my eyebrows take really long to grow, or like I read that the castor oil can make it thick. I mean, we all want that. We all want our brows to flourish and be as thick as they can be, so that when you're shaping them or when you go to get, shaped, that there's at least something left to design. Yeah, so today I'll be talking about castor oil, and before I do it, I'll read you guys some benefits, and you'll see if you like it and try it out. So castor oil, its benefits, it controls the fall distractor. So castor oil benefits, controls hair fall, 1. 2, encourages hair regrowth. 3, treats dandruffs. 4, reduces split ends. 5, thickens hair. 6, it's a natural conditioner. 7, darkens hair. Like, the way when you don't really take good care of your hair and it kind of looks like the color is like it's dead, so it helps with that. Protects hair from damage. Yeah, that's about it from what I have. Those are the main points, and for me what I wanted is to just increase the volume so that next time when I go, maybe there's more left after the tweezing. Yeah, so the castor oil I have is from Allison, which is ideal. Yeah, so they say it's pure, so I hope it is. It's my first time and I want to try this for like about a week and see how much hair growth I will have had by then. So yeah, let's do this. Like I just rinsed my face and no oil on it at the moment, so I just wanted to do this and maybe leave it for a while. I'm looking at the mirror there. So they say you can leave it for about 15 to 20 minutes or leave it overnight. So the option is yours. Also, yeah, you can actually also apply it on your lashes. Let me do that. Yeah, so you can also apply it on your lashes. Yeah. So the thing is, it's really thick, the consistency of the castor oil. It's so thick. Just know when you what's this? When you apply it on your head hair, it's better to just like apply it first on your fingertips, and then massage it through your scalp, and then maybe just some on your hand and just rub it through the rest of your hair, and then just maybe cover it and sleep with it like that. Because usipo, I mean, if you ukitumia mingi sana itakuwa too much for your hair, and so hard to get it off, which will be really not fun at all. So I'd advise you just use a small amount when you're using it, but it's a really amazing oil, and I mean, I think all the natural things are just amazing. I mean, our 444 grandmas used to use them, and they used to work amazing perfectly on their hair. They never really knew about so many other things, and these things were plant-based. And anything, I think I believe in anything that's plant-based, I mean, from the earth, and it's natural, because it's definitely gonna treat you well, and it's gonna be amazing, because I mean, we are from the earth, and anything that's coming from there will help definitely make you flourish. So it will make your hair flourish, it will make your skin flourish, and it will just make you glow, and it's amazing. So you guys get your castor oil. It's good for so many things. Do your research. I'm not a medical practitioner or anything, but I really like doing my research before I use something. So you can do that. Get yours, try it out, let me know how it works for you. I mean, I'll be happy to hear that you're actually getting results. I don't know if I'll get for mine. I'll definitely tell you in maybe a week or so, after monitoring and trying to be as religious as I can be. Yeah, so after that, maybe just tell you guys how it's gone for me. Yeah, so if you guys liked this video, do not forget to give it a thumbs up. Yes, a very big one. If you think it wasn't helpful, I really don't mind if you don't like it, I mean. But also, if you are new, welcome. And yeah, don't forget to hit that subscribe button over there. It's very red, written in white, subscribe. Yeah, and turn on your notification bell and become part of us. Yeah, so I love you all so much, and thank you for the support. Thank you so much. Yeah, nawapenda, and love and light as always. Mwah.